The rain came suddenly, not soft, not gentle, heavy, cold, relentless. Roads filled with water, people rushed into shops, auto horns mixed with the sound of falling rain. The city blurred, and on that soaked street, Ramesh pedaled his cycle rickshaw. Ramesh, the rickshaw driver. Ramesh's legs were tired. His thin vest clung to his body. Water dripped from his hair down his face. Each turn of the wheel made a small, squeaking sound. Behind him sat Anjali, clean clothes, hair neatly tied, a small bag resting on her lap. She was dry, he was not. 2 lives, 1 road. Ramesh drove rickshaws for a living. Some days he earned 300 rupees, some days barely 150 rupees. Just enough for groceries, just enough for rent. No savings, no holidays. Anjali worked in a private office, air-conditioned rooms, meetings, deadlines, fixed salary, different worlds. Yet for this moment, they shared the same rain. Silent struggle. The rain grew heavier. Cold wind cut through Ramesh's soaked clothes. His shoulders trembled. His hands tightened on the handle. He didn't complain. Rickshaw drivers rarely do. They just keep moving. Anjali watched quietly. She noticed how hard he was pedaling. She saw how soaked he was and how dry she felt. Something felt wrong. A small decision. Anjali opened her bag. She pulled out a black umbrella. She leaned forward and gently held it above Ramesh's head. He didn't realize at first. Then he felt less rain on his face. He looked back, confused. "Madam?" Anjali smiled softly. "You'll fall sick," she said. Ramesh hesitated. "But you?" "I'm already dry," she replied. "Please." A wordless thank you. Ramesh nodded. His eyes softened. He pedaled harder, not because the road became easier, but because his heart felt lighter. Someone had noticed him, not as transport, not as labor, but as a human being. People watched. Cars passed, some stared. A woman holding an umbrella for a rickshaw driver. It looked unusual. Some smiled, some ignored. Anjali didn't care. She wasn't showing kindness, she was living it. At the corner, they reached her destination. Ramesh stopped. Rain still poured. Anjali stepped down. She paid the fare, then added extra. Ramesh tried to refuse. She gently closed his hand around the money. "For warm food," she said. His throat tightened. "Thank you, madam." His voice broke. That night, Ramesh bought soup, shared bread with his wife, told her about the woman with the umbrella. They smiled quietly. Anjali made tea in her apartment. She stood by the window. She thought of Ramesh. She felt peaceful. Time passed. They never met again, but something changed in both of them. Ramesh changed. He waited patiently for elderly passengers, gave free rides to children late for school, shared water with street workers. He remembered how it felt to be seen and passed that feeling forward. Anjali changed. She stopped chasing only promotions. She volunteered on weekends, spoke kindly to cleaners, listened more, complained less. She realized success feels empty without compassion. A truth we forget. The world teaches us, earn more, own more, become more, but rarely care more, feel more, give more. Invisible walls. Money, jobs, education, clothes. Invisible walls separate us, but rain doesn't care. Rain falls on everyone equally. That day, the rain erased those walls. Ramesh told his son, "Never think someone is small because of their job." His son asked why. Ramesh said, "Because dignity doesn't wear uniforms." Final message. Today you might be Anjali, tomorrow you might be Ramesh. Life changes roles quickly, but humanity should not.
Hold the umbrella, even when no one is watching. Closing words. Buildings fall, titles disappear, money finishes, but kindness remains, because humanity echoes forever.
Please subscribe and support me to make more videos for you. Thank you.